Union Bank denies window dressing claims, AIUB seeks action against false complaint and media report. Union Bank of India has issued a formal clarification to stock exchanges, stating that reports alleging irregularities in deposit data and possible window dressing are based on unverified and factually inaccurate information. Following the clarification, AIUB has sought action against those behind the complaint and media reports, citing potential reputational and market impact. BOIO registration cancellation set aside by Jaipur Labour Court. The Jaipur Labour Court has set aside the cancellation of the Bank of India Officers Organisation (BOIO) registration, highlighting alleged legal and procedural lapses in the process. The court reportedly revoked the earlier order and directed further inquiry into the matter, making the case significant in the context of union-related legal disputes in the banking sector. IOB denies allegations in NCSC reply, calls complaint baseless. In its official submission to the National Commission for Scheduled Castes, NCSC, Indian Overseas Bank, IOB, has denied all allegations made by Assistant Manager Alokik Chaudhary, calling them baseless and not factual. The bank also defended its disciplinary action, even as an FIR and ongoing investigation in the case continue. HDFC Bank woman officer complained before Labour Commissioner alleging unfair termination. A woman officer of HDFC Bank has approached the Labour Commissioner alleging unfair termination from service. The matter has brought attention to employee grievance handling and workplace dispute mechanisms in the private banking sector. ABOX IBOC advised bank officers to use portal for transfer appeals and grievances. Srinath Induchudan, General Secretary of ABOX IBOC, has advised bank officers to submit transfer-related appeals and grievances only through the official online portal after concerns that some eligible cases were overlooked. He also clarified the difference between appeal and grievance processes and urged officers to prepare proper documents and seek guidance before applying. Support grows for AISBISFS nationwide SBI strike on May 25 to 26. The All India State Bank of India Staff Federation, AISBISF, has announced a two-day nationwide strike in SBI on May 25 to 26, 2026, citing unresolved demands related to recruitment, pension issues, and alleged non-implementation of agreements. Support for the strike continues to grow, with the All India PNB Staff Federation and the Karnataka Vikas Gramina Bank Employees Federation extending solidarity over concerns related to outsourcing, employee rights, and broader banking sector issues. Odisha Grameen Bank staff defend actions in Skelton Row, RBI extends support. Employees and officers of Odisha Grameen Bank have defended the branch manager's actions in the Malliposi, Skelton Row case, stating that RBI guidelines on death claim settlement were followed strictly. Amid growing backlash and social media outrage, AIRRBE affiliated unions also backed the officer involved, calling for an end to what they described as a distorted anti-bank staff campaign and online targeting of employees. AIRRBE's nationwide dharna across regional rural banks demands immediate resolution of pending issues. Thousands of employees, officers, and retirees affiliated with the All India Regional Rural Bank Employees Association, AIRRBE, staged coordinated dharna protests across RRBs on 6 May 2026, demanding urgent action on long-pending service, pay, and policy-related issues. The nationwide protest has intensified pressure over unresolved employee demands in the RRB sector. AIRRBE strike notice leads to conciliation talks on RRB issues. Conciliation discussions have reportedly begun after RBI issued a strike notice regarding unresolved issues in regional rural banks. The development indicates ongoing engagement between unions and authorities over employee demands. Uttar Pradesh Gramin Bank reports FY 2025-26 growth with improved business and profit. Uttar Pradesh Gramin Bank reported growth in business, profitability, and asset quality during FY 2025-26. The bank highlighted improvement across key financial indicators while outlining future expansion and service goals.